Hi, I'm Pete Lazzarato with Charter Communications. So we're the second largest MSO. My job with Charter was to implement DCIM, which started about 2 years ago. I was happy to come up here and talk to you guys about how awesome it's been working with nLight. We have currently purchased 4 modules. One of them Hal mentioned, which is NEO, which is the actual real-time power management for your data center or lab, what have you. So I manage the lab using the software, and it's partially an asset tracking, but in power monitoring tool. So, and it's already shown a couple of the reports, a slide back, it showed you some of the reports that can be pulled up. I pull these reports up and I show my GVP, hey, this is what we're looking at. So it's not a pie in the sky number, it's a real actual diagram that I can put on a PowerPoint or that I could show him on my laptop. So it's been awesome to see that live. If your desk or cubicle is used as a storage space for boxes or equipment, then you probably will need something like this. It helps to make your organization more efficient. So what I manage a colo, and I manage about 684 cabinets or racks, whatever you want to say. So my goal for 2019 is to make sure that we're more power efficient, especially in the colo. It's a big dollar amount that we spend every month. So if you have a colo and you're managing that, this can absolutely help to do that. When you're able to pull up a report, and I'm going to steal Liam's phrase, a single source of truth. When you're able to pull up a report and you're able to print it out and it has all the awesome graphics right from the page, and you're able to say, this is where we're at, whatever it is on the page, and I kind of wish I had some slides to show you what I'm talking about. That's huge. You know, so kind of goes back to the old ESPN, numbers never lie. I don't know if anyone ever knew that. I'm a big sports guy. But so, I mean, that's the truth, though. Numbers never lie. You don't want a false positive, so you want to make sure that you're monitoring the correct underlying categories to get the number that you want. So I thought that was huge, that if you're questioning why, you know, what's the added value? Well, that's the added value. It takes a long time to get there. Don't get me wrong. It takes a lot of work, but you can manipulate the software to do exactly what you want as a company. That's actually what we're doing right now. So go to Gartner Magic Quadrant. Do your own research first. It's really simple. I mean, you can't get any easier. There's only about 4 maybe real players in this space. Deployment, customer service, they were awesome. So there is a story.
Awesome, right? Are
awesome. Sorry.
Just checking.
So there's a real quick story of a company that I had actually said, hey, give me three clients. I'm going to call them. They gave me 3 clients. I called them. One of the guys told me that he had another, that I will not say who it was, company. They spent $1 million on deploying DCIM. The support for this particular company completely failed them. So they had to start over from scratch 1.5 years later. So if you're looking for, yeah, of course, this is all great, pie in the sky, but really when it comes down to it, you can't deploy any of this stuff that we all know. It takes a long time, it takes a lot of coordination. Their support team is phenomenal.